In this video, we are going to be talking about how to lose weight during COVID. If you want tips on how to lose weight during COVID lockdown at home, make sure you stay tuned and watch the rest of this video. Let's get started. Number 1. Take small steps. There is a lot of stress around right now, so trying to overhaul your lifestyle completely might be asking too much of yourself. Instead, start with one small step. What's something you can change right now? It can be hard to make 5 different changes when you can just pick one to start with. This could mean changing your diet, reducing calories, or experimenting with intermittent fasting, in which you eat only during a set number of hours each day. Number 2. Use the time at home to cook healthier short meals. During COVID, you will have more time at home to cook healthy meals. But if you just don't have the mental energy to choose recipes and shop for specific ingredients, you can stock your kitchen with ready-to-use items that are easy to transform into a nutritious meal. Now isn't the time to become a grand chef. Learn how to cook and prepare shorter, healthier meals in less time. Here is an example. Your healthy dinner could be frozen chicken breast and frozen broccoli, plus a pouch of pre-cooked quinoa or brown rice. Number 3. Try to eat on a schedule. Working from home or being at home more will most likely mean you've got food accessible 24/7, and your days probably have less structure than they usually have. To help you lose weight at home during COVID, you can try and plan when you'll take a coffee break and eat lunch, and try to stick to a routine as much as you can. If you build a simple routine where you have food and drink at certain times and light beverages such as teas and coffees, this will help you stay focused and on track with what you eat in the week and can help you boost your weight loss at home. Number 4. Consider intermittent fasting. Even a Mediterranean or a low-carb diet takes a fair amount of planning. Intermittent fasting limits your eating to a set window of hours each day. The idea isn't to snack on cookies during those hours. You should still aim for healthy meals and snacks, but you don't have to count calories or nutrients. Simply by not eating early in the morning and late at night, you'll probably find you're eating less. Number 5. Try a vegan diet and lifestyle. A vegan lifestyle is a good option to go for during COVID because it can be better for the immune systems. Experts say a plant-based diet supports your immune system. A vegan diet can transform the way you eat, which can help with weight loss. A lot of people have gone vegan and have lost weight while at home simply by changing to a plant-based diet. So now, if you want an effective solution for weight loss, I recommend you take a look at the South Beach Diet Weight Loss Plan. Please make sure you click the link in the description box below now. It will then take you through to the website for the South Beach Diet Program, and you can have a look at the plan and get started today. I hope this video helps you. Please make sure you subscribe and please turn on notifications so you get notified about future videos. If you liked my video, please hit the like button and leave some love in the comments below. Thank you for watching this, and I will see you next time.